The New Zealand Earthquake of 2011 by Reilly. The New Zealand earthquake of 2011 occurred on Tuesday, February 22nd, 2011 at 12:51 p.m. It shook for about 40 seconds, and right from the start there was chaos and drama. Lots of homes and buildings were destroyed or damaged by the 6.3 earthquake. Homes are still being rebuilt 3 years later by the New Zealand Earthquake Association. The water and electricity did not work for a few weeks after being destroyed by the earthquake. Lots of people were injured by being inside of falling houses or being crushed by a falling object. Unfortunately, there are about 185 deaths, and thousands of people were injured by the earthquake. Liquefaction is when parts of the ground become liquid or wet. When this happens, lots of cars and houses sink into the surface of the earth. Liquefaction affected areas around the earthquake, causing many things to sink or get stuck in holes. Lots of buildings were damaged. Some were more damaged because of their different structure or because of their age. Unfortunately, many people's houses were destroyed or damaged by the earthquake. This earthquake's epicenter was about 11 kilometers out of the city center by the coast of Christchurch, New Zealand. Places about 200 kilometers away felt the earthquake on the South Island of New Zealand. China, the United States, and Japan sent forces and supplies to assist the people and New Zealand after the earthquake happened. These forces helped find people and get people to safety. The countries donated blankets, water, plus food for the victims. Besides the structures, even some land was damaged. For example, lots of roads were cracked and trees fell down. People were surprised at the amount of damage from just a 6.3 earthquake. This is a recent picture of a road that has not been repaired in a Christchurch suburb. There are more streets, homes, and objects that were damaged and have not been repaired yet. Teams from Japan, China, and the United States came and helped repair and give aid to injured people after the earthquake took place. This cathedral, like many others, was damaged. Many cathedrals stood as shelters if they were not damaged by the earthquake. The teams from other countries also provided help by bringing food and financial aid. This is a water source being repaired after being damaged by the earthquake. You can see Christchurch is towards the southern part of New Zealand. This is the part that was most affected. This picture shows the before and the after of a Christchurch building.